Shukla Medical. When it comes to orthopedic revision surgery, we are the extraction experts. The Shukla cement system is designed for the removal of bone cement during hip and knee revision surgeries. The system includes 17 different chisels, drill taps, graspers, and additional instrumentation to facilitate cement removal. Each chisel will be shown starting off with the cup chisel for cement in acetabulum. The small hook is used in retrograde to remove cement from underneath. The cement splitter utilizes a guide to prevent accidental perforation while splitting cement. Bell chisels debris canals with a 360-degree cutting edge. The reverse curette removes canal cement in the retrograde direction. Gouge splitter for aggressive cement column removal. Different size gouges for cement column removal. Flat chisels for any flat cement mantle removal. Rounded point chisel for cement removal and fracturing. V-point chisel for aggressive cement splitting. Pointed X-tip for aggressive cement fracturing. Saw for creating relief cuts in thick cement mantles. Straight pick for creating fractures and freeing cement fragments. Angled pick for creating fractures and freeing distal cement fragments. Drill taps for single-step restrictor removal. Tap extractors for cement plug removal. Drills for creating a pilot hole for tap extractors. Long reach cement graspers. Impact handle and strike plate for use with cement chisels. All required instrumentation for cement removal using the Shukla cement system. When using the Shukla cement system for a cemented hip stem revision, the first step is to remove the implant using the Shukla hip stem extraction system. Before using the chisel, it must first be attached to the handle by inserting the cross connection back end into the locking cap of the handle. The cap can then be rotated into the locked position to secure the chisel in place. To unlock the chisel, press and hold the button in while rotating the cap to the unlocked position. The strike plate must be used to avoid hitting directly on the back of the handle. The strike plate can be pushed directly into the back of the handle. The button is then held to remove the strike plate or rotate it to one of the 8 different positions. The cement saw is used in a back and forth motion to create axial relief cuts in the thick cement mantles. This creates weaker areas in the cement mantle for controlled cement column fracturing. The weaker relief areas also help to reduce hoop stresses that could otherwise cause a fracture of the bone. Flat chisels are used to fracture cement in areas such as a tibial plateau and a flat proximal cement mantles. Bell chisels have a 360-degree cutting edge for canal debridement. The 360-degree cutting edge can be used without having to think about the cutting edge orientation. Hooks can reach under the cement fragments to remove them using retrograde impacts. Reverse curettes are effective for removing cement and canal debridement in the retrograde direction. Cement in the acetabular can be rare, but the cup chisel can be used to remove it. A variety of gouges are included to break up cement columns. These are a small 6mm gouge, a large 9mm gouge, and a gouge splitter for more aggressive cement removal. Straight and angled picks can be used for both freeing stuck cement fragments and also used as a punch to create fracture sites in cement mantles. The V-tip chisel can be used for aggressive cement fracturing. The V shape creates a shape cutting edge that pulls the cement into the center of the tip. The X-tip chisel can fracture thick cement mantles, such as a cement plug. The long reach of the graspers allows for deep canal access to grab onto and extract the fractured pieces of cement. The drills come in two sizes, 6 and 7 millimeters. They have a Hudson back end to chuck directly into a surgical drill connection. The drills are sized to create pilot holes for the tap extractors. The 6 millimeter drill is used with the 8 millimeter tap extractor, and the 7 millimeter drill is used with the 10 millimeter tap extractor. Once the correct pilot hole has been drilled, the tap extractor can be attached to the T-handle. The tip of the extractor is placed into the pilot hole and then slowly rotated. When the extractor has sufficient purchase into the cement plug, the T-handle can be removed. The slide hammer is then attached to the extractor to apply inline impact force to extract the cement plug. The drill taps can be used on cement restrictors and small cement plugs. The extractor can be chucked directly into a Hudson drill and run on ream speed to cut into the restrictor. Once there is sufficient purchase, the slide hammer can be used to provide inline impact to extract the cement restrictor. Also available from Shukla Medical